Winnipeg Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make an origami bookmark. All you need to make the bookmark is a piece of square paper. I'm going to use a piece of origami paper, but you can use any kind of paper you have in your home as long as it's a square. The first step for an origami bookmark is to place our paper so it makes a diamond shape. Then we are going to take the bottom of the paper and bring it up to meet the top, as close as possible, and then we're going to make a nice little crease along here, just pressing down so it's flat. There we go. So I've now made a little triangle. I'm going to bring this side up again to meet the top of our paper, and I will press down with another neat crease. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, bringing this back up to the top and pressing down along this side. So here's where we're at. I'm going to open up these two flaps, and you can see that I've made creases along here. And at this point, I'm going to take just the top layer and I'm going to fold this so it comes down to the very bottom of the shape, and do another crease along here. And this one is going to stay flat down like this, but I'm going to bring up this part, and this is the trickiest part, but I'm going to tuck it underneath. There we go. And I will press down along here for another crease. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, just tucking it underneath. This part can be a little bit tricky, so just be patient. And then I will press down, and we are done, an origami bookmark. And now we have a completed origami bookmark. You can be finished here if you like, or you can decorate your bookmark. I turned this one into a little shooting star, and this one into a rabbit. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more paper craft ideas, check out our Hobbies and Crafts info guide on our website. You'll find a link below in the description.